The Valley News Live First Alert Storm Team has issued a weather alert day.
We have several factors into our first alert weather days today and tomorrow. We are talking about intense heat today. And then, of course, that chance for some scattered thunderstorms that could turn severe over the next couple of days. This is a look right now at that sun, and you can see that heat and humidity already this morning in the air. It's simmering out there, and we'll continue to have to deal with this as we work our way through today. So this is right now is likely the coolest it will be for some time. We're looking at conditions that are going to get tougher and tougher heading into the afternoon especially. We've got that excessive heat warning starting at noon, lasting until 8 o'clock. Those heat index values reaching 105, perhaps even higher than that in some instances, and lasting for several hours. And that's downright dangerous. Drink lots of water today. Try to avoid working outdoors, exercising outdoors here today. If you must work outdoors, take a lot of breaks, find some air conditioning, do what you can to stay cool, and check in on your friends and family and neighbors who are a bit on the vulnerable side to this. We want to talk about the fact that it's not only hot, it's that mugginess, that moisture in the air that really does impact us. It makes it harder to cool down in this kind of weather, and that's why it's dangerous for us. And over the next couple of days on our muggy meter here, you could see that the next couple of days are going to be critical. We're talking about steamy conditions. You step out the door and you instantly start to sweat. That's for today and for Saturday as well. So it's going to be tough. And it's already starting. Temperatures at 6 o'clock in the morning are starting off in the 70s in most places. It's 74 in Fargo and 75 in Grand Forks. That wind out of the south or southeast really driving in, that humidity and that air mass that's going to have some good heat to it today. So we're concerned about that chance for some thunderstorms this morning. You could see the Maine area really blasting through southern parts of Manitoba. It's missed us, but we do have a couple of cells that are trying to get going up north. Everywhere else is looking pretty quiet. I'm going to zoom in on that area. You can see it's right over Langdon where we have a little thunderstorm producing some lightning, and they're pretty small cells, but you might get a quick shot, a quick downpour before this moves on. And these are moving off to the north and east, and notice how small and isolated they are. So it's really going to be a minor event for this morning. It's the heat that's going to impact us in the daytime hours. We're going to see some partly cloudy skies developing, temperatures that rise back into the 90s, and again, heat index values that are higher than 100 in a lot of instances. And then we're looking at that chance for some storms starting up here out west first in the early evening. Starting at 5 o'clock, we're looking westward. Watch what happens over the next few hours. We see those cells start to blossom, and we're looking at the potential for some large hail and maybe even an isolated tornado earlier on in this event. So the more likely severe will be in southeastern North Dakota here heading into tonight. But overnight, we all have the potential for severe storms, and this evolves more into a wind event and heavy rain too. And right now the focus is on the southern valley. Doesn't mean you won't get downpours in the north too, but perhaps a little more widespread in the south through Saturday morning. So severe storm risk for today, slight risk. This is tonight and overnight. Before then, we're talking heat. And a quick look at Saturday. Once those morning storms move on, we get a break. Depending on how much sunshine we get, that could cook up some more storms, and a couple of them could be strong to severe heading into Saturday night. Rainfall potential. Unfortunately, a lot of areas could see more than an inch. And Sunday, we can all breathe a sigh of relief, not as intensely hot, and our storm chances wind down too.